Mr. P, I have an etiquette question.
Finally. The day I thought would never come. Crown Princess Stella taking an interest in royal protocol.
Say you're invited to dinner at somebody's house, but they make something you totally hate. Would it be okay to just...
Leave it? Oh, it is never okay not to eat something a host offers. There is no bigger or more serious diplomatic offence.
But I can't eat Brussels sprouts. I can't.
Your Highness, I assure you, expanding your palate is easily accomplished. As you have never had it before, we shall start with liver. Fork in left hand, elbows stuck to the sides.
Yuck, yuck, yuck! I didn't think there was anything more disgusting than Brussels sprouts.
Now, as liver has proven challenging, let's get back to the sprouts. Mixed with other vegetables, you won't even... Very well. Let's try something else, shall we? The sauce, which is a recipe from my Caribbean cousin, might disguise the taste of the Brussels sprouts.
It doesn't smell like Brussels sprouts.
Yes, I should have mentioned it is a little spicy. And now, something of a palate cleanser.
Chocolate truffles! Finally something tasty. Yuck, yuck, yuck! Ugh.
Not even chocolate works. I give up. I concede defeat.
You're going about this the wrong way. Empty your mind. Get rid of all your thoughts. There's a stream in your brain that is washing every idea away. Think of nothing. Let the water wash all your worries away. Psh, psh. Listen to that stream flow and flow with it.
I can't empty my mind. I'm too worried about eating Brussels sprouts. And after all this talk of water, I really have to pee.
Okay. Meditation's not for everybody. This is a technique I learned in method acting class, back when I was poised to become a great actor.
When were you poised to become a great actor?
Don't disturb a professional at work. I want you to picture yourself in a pan with Brussels sprouts and liver. I want you to become Brussels sprouts and liver. Feel what they feel. Think what they think. Their hopes and dreams, their fears and worries. It's working.
I think I'm going to be sick.
She's clearly not cut out to be an actor.
Gotcha.
Yeah, here comes the plane. Open up the hangar.
Come on, one for Mummy. Come along, one
Come
for
on,
Mummy.
Stella. The
This will
aeroplane
make you
needs
big
to
and
land.
strong.
Want to see my trick? I'm going to join the magic circle.
I did not agree to this.
Shh! You're spoiling it. Ahem. As you can see, there's nothing in my hat. But tap, 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 and a wave of my magic sparkle wand, and ta-da! It's a bunny.
Bravo, Molly. Bravo. Wow, Stella, isn't your little sister amazing?
Well, Dad, that was foul play. It's all useless. I'll have to eat those Brussels sprouts, and I'll find them disgusting, and I'll upset Mikey's dad, and Mikey will hate me forever, and...
I can help you.
Huh?
It's really easy. When you are served something you don't like, you just don't eat it.
But it's terrible manners not to eat something your host serves you.
Not as long as they think you ate it. There! Let me show you, okay? Delicious, so tasty.
Huh?
You just keep the food in your napkin and get rid of it when nobody's watching.
But what? How?
Let's see that a little more slowly.
How often do you do this exactly?
This might actually work. Let me try. Sorry.
It's all in the wrist. No sharp movements. You won't get into the magic circle like that.